Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Unmasking Narcissism TV. I'm Alice, and today's video is a crucial one for those who have experienced narcissistic abuse. Join me as we embark on a journey toward healing, exploring practical steps, coping strategies, and the importance of professional support. Acknowledging the abuse. The first step on the path to healing is acknowledging the abuse. It's not always easy to recognize, but understanding and accepting that you've been a victim of narcissistic abuse is a crucial foundation for the healing process. Setting boundaries. With acknowledgement comes the need to set boundaries. Establish clear and firm boundaries to protect yourself from further harm. This might involve limiting or cutting off contact with the narcissistic individual. Seeking professional help. Professional support is an integral part of the healing journey. Reach out to therapists or counselors experienced in narcissistic abuse. They can provide guidance, validation, and tools to navigate the complex emotions that arise. Coping strategies. Coping strategies are essential for managing the emotional aftermath of narcissistic abuse. Here are a few techniques to consider. Journaling. Express your emotions through journaling. This can help you process your thoughts and track your healing progress. Self-care. Prioritize self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's reading, meditation, or spending time in nature. Connecting with supportive communities. Seek support from others who have experienced similar situations. Connecting with supportive communities can provide a sense of belonging and understanding. Affirmations. Practice positive affirmations. Remind yourself of your worth and strengths to counteract the negative self-perception that may result from the abuse. Rebuilding trust. Rebuilding trust, both in yourself and others, is a gradual process. Allow yourself the time and space needed to regain confidence and trust in your judgment. Forgiveness. Forgiveness, though challenging, can be a powerful step toward healing. It's not about condoning the abuse but releasing the hold it has on your emotions and moving forward. Moving forward. As you progress on your healing journey, remember that moving forward is a personal and unique experience. Embrace the lessons learned, celebrate your resilience, and focus on building a brighter future. Healing from narcissistic abuse is a courageous and empowering process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Unmasking Narcissism TV for more supportive content. Read articles on the website www.unmaskingnarcissism.com. Additionally, you can download a free ebook with 10 tips for recovery after narcissistic abuse. Thank you for joining me on this important journey. Remember, you deserve a life filled with love, joy, and healing. Until next time.